Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Saint Laurent leather backpack that came out a few weeks ago, I believe. And I'm so excited because I've been eyeing the Chanel Gabrielle backpack for a very long time now, and I haven't been able to get my hands on it. So when this Saint Laurent version came out, I think it's a great alternative. Okay, so let's see. Hefty box, and on top we have this envelope. It has the thank you card and the shipping label in case I want to return it. So I believe I have 30 days to return this. And by the way, I bought this online on the Saint Laurent website. It was around $24.50, and plus tax it rounded out to be $2,700. Okay. Pull it out. Okay, so this is the dust bag. The dust bag is very nice actually. It's very thick. It's got this little drawstring. Okay. So full disclaimer, I've actually already unboxed this. I unwrapped all of the plastic on it and put the straps together and whatnot. So my reaction is a little bit anticlimactic, I suppose. But here it is. This is the bag. I think it's so cute. I mean, just look at it, right? So this is what it looks like. This is the back. Okay, let me show you the inside. So it's very much like a bucket bag, just a black hole interior with one zipper pocket inside. Okay, and then let's close this back up. We have a front pockets, which is actually quite big and spacious. So that's super nice. That's a nice little touch. And then the back itself, the straps are half leather and a little bit of gold chain. Super cute. I obviously will be comparing this to the Chanel Gabrielle backpack because that is what I initially wanted. And I do think this is a good alternative. It is a lot bigger than the Chanel Gabrielle that I wanted. I believe the Chanel comes in 2 sizes and I wanted the smaller version, which is about the size of a Louis Vuitton Palm Springs, which I do have. So here is the size of the LV Palm Springs. This is the size that I prefer for every day, and this is, you know, it's a lot bigger. Let's talk about some of the differences between the Chanel and the YSL. So number one is the size. I was hoping for a smaller bag, but this is, you know, it's not too large, and I'm quite petite. This is sort of the perfect size, but I was hoping for something a little bit smaller. Another difference is this chevron. I think this is such a unique and such a nice touch, and it's very Saint Laurent. So I really like that, and it goes throughout. One of the main differences is the straps. I love the Chanel chain straps, you know, the gold and the silver, and this has the leather. So I am a little bit disappointed by that. Now let's talk about the cons of the bag. Number one, the first thing I noticed was the leather. I was hoping for something a little bit more durable. This is very delicate. It's a lambskin, and it's a very soft and delicate leather. And so I can already see a little bit of marks, and I just know that I'm gonna have to baby this bag. And I don't like babying backpacks. It's just, I like to toss them around. The second con is really this situation right here. There's no clasp. There's no way for this bag to stay closed except for these straps. You know, I'm gonna find this incredibly annoying. I already know it. I'm gonna be so annoyed. But it would just be nice if there was a clasp, but there isn't. I'm not sure if the Chanel does or not. I feel like it doesn't, but I could be wrong. I think I am wrong. I don't know. But you have to keep on pulling on the straps in order for this to stay closed. So I already know that I'm going to be incredibly annoyed about this. And lastly, another con is the price. You know, it is a lot cheaper than the Chanel version, but at the same time, $2,700 for a YSL bag, I don't know. To me, it just sounds really, really expensive. My Palm Springs was only $1,800, and I'm paying what, another $1,000 more for this bag. So, you know, it is a hefty price tag. And I just noticed this. If you look close, you can see the Saint Laurent kind of on these little circles. That's a nice little detail, right? Now, some of the pros, you could say that one of the main pro is that it is a good alternative to the Chanel. If you can't get your hands on the Chanel Gabrielle like me, this is, you know, a quite good alternative. And the second pro is that this bag is very, very lightweight. Surprisingly, very lightweight. I thought the chain would make it a little bit heavier, but because the leather is so soft and light and delicate, it's very, very lightweight. So that is definitely a huge plus in my book. Try it on for you guys. I am 5'2" for reference, but I'm not going to stand. So this is sort of the size of it. I don't know if you can see or not. So it's not too big, and I do think it's a good size. I'm not sure about every day for me, but we can make it work, right? So I have 30 days to decide whether to keep this or not. I am leaning towards keeping it because I have given up all hopes of acquiring the Chanel Gabrielle backpack. But some of the things that are stopping me are the leather, how I would actually have to baby this bag, and also the big price tag. I know I will be saving a lot of money compared to, you know, buying the Chanel, but at the same time, $2,700 for a bag is quite hefty. So let me know what your thoughts are below. You know, should I keep it? Should I wait for the Gabrielle? What are your thoughts? But stay tuned for more videos. If you would like me to post a video on what fits inside the bag or how it fits my body, you know, just let me know if you want to see that or not. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.